Hey, welcome to this video. I use this blender a lot, and it's hard to get a good spatula that will go down in here. And some of them I get, the rubber tears up really easy on these sharp blades. So I'm gonna try making a wooden spatula, similar to this yardstick, but with more shape to it, etc. So let's see how that goes. I forgot to add that the main thing that I use this for, that I want to have a spatula, is I'll make nut butter or I'll grind up seeds in here, and that's what I want, something hard like wood, something stiff like wood to get it out, because otherwise it's just the rubber gets cut up inside there. But anyway, so that's why I'm using something like wood. That if I was to keep doing like something real creamy, then maybe a rubber spatula would be better. I'm going to make this side the handle side because of that knot. The power tools work well for me to do the roughing out, but the finer shaping I find is easier for me with hand tool. Even just this axe, just to take off that little corner, just comes right off. Just a lot more comfortable with this. here it is. You can see I put a little bit of bevel on the tip. I'm gonna try to coat it in some kind of food grade oil, and this came from a branch from a maple tree in our front yard. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please check out some of my other videos.